Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer. Tutorial 18, adding a transition to your slides. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application, Microsoft PowerPoint. We're going to start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Finder. Navigate to the OneDrive folder, locate the file work.pptx, double click on this. In the meantime, let's just wait for that to load and then minimize Finder for the moment. Now let's get to the PowerPoint presentation. Here we have slide 1 now. Within the menu bar, we can navigate to transitions. At the moment, there is no transition for any slide that we currently have. In total, we have 5 slides. So what we can do, let's change the first slide to morph and let's preview. So when the first slide was to show up on screen as part of the presentation, we would morph to the first slide. Go to the second, let's fade that out. Third, wipe towards the left of the screen. Go to slide number 4, let's cut. Slide number 5, random bars. So what we can do is preview the first slide, preview the second slide, preview the third, fourth, and so on. What we can do is remove all the transitions. We can do that one by one. However, there's a faster way. Let's just click on the first one, have no transitions, apply to all, and there we see every transition has been eliminated. But for the purpose of this tutorial, let's now have everything fade. And now let's click on fade again, apply to all. So now every slide on screen will have a fade transition when it comes to viewing the slideshow. So that's how you change the transition of your slide or slides within the PowerPoint presentation. So we can now quit PowerPoint. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.